Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 20th February 2026, Mashi Masam 8, Friday, Vishwas Nama Samvatsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishirdo, Masi Masham, that is Kumbha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tidi up to 3:53 p.m. Tridiyai, then Chaturthi, Bhriguvasaram, Friday, Nakshatram up to 9:21 p.m. Uttratadi, then Revati Nakshatram, Rahugalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Gulegalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtam for Simha Rashi, Prachitam, Jangari, Sradhatadi, Tridiyai, today evening Chaturthi. Om Sri Matre Namaha. Om Sri Matre Namaha.